Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a token on your Phantom wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. Now, once you are on your Phantom wallet, you will see that you have these tokens or some other if you ever bought any of them. And if you would click on manage token list, as you can see, you cannot add any new tokens, only turn them off, which are already here. Now, it's because in order to have a token here, you actually need to buy it or send it to your to your Phantom wallet. So you can click on buy option and then you will see all of these available tokens as you can see. So for example, let's go ahead and choose this one. And once you will buy it, then it will appear on your list. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can add a token. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.